shop. There's probably is, but it's whatever. Anyway, so I love doing like reviews on slime shops and just slime in general from like other people. I just like slime from other people because I don't know why. It's fun, it's nice, and especially if it's from you guys because it just means so much to me to get slimes from you guys. But anyways, so you guys know what my favorite slime is. I want you guys to try and guess this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you answered clear slime, you are correct. Make sure you comment down below if you were correct or if you were wrong. It's okay if you were wrong, it's fine. Anyway, so I went to a bunch of slime shops and I got their clear slime, and basically I'm just gonna be trying to see which slime shop has the best clear slime. Yeah. And today's cheesy pickup line is, are you Color Slash or are you Elmer's? Wait, that doesn't matter. I'll be with you through thick and thin. Get it? If you guys don't get it, Color Splash is another glue and it is thin. It's a clear glue I use and it's thin. And an Elmer's clear glue is really thick, so shout out to Rox212. She made it up. So if you guys don't know what that is, basically I have this chalkboard and it's gonna be till February 14th, which is, you know, Valentine's Day. And we're gonna be putting cheesy pickup lines that have to do with slime. You guys just have to comment them down below and we will see. And today's like my shot is gonna be try to press the like button with your nose. And if you can do it, make sure you comment down below hashtag I did it. And let's get straight on to the video. Yo. Okay, so this first one is from Fruity A Slime Shop. I have no idea what that means or how to say it. I hope I said it right, but anyways, so here it is. It's a box. It looks super cute. Ooh, a big box. She gave a Mentos lemon, and then some Smarties, a packet of borax right here, pretty big packet, and basically the instructions and everything, and then the clear slime. All right, guys, and it doesn't seem like it's melted at all, and it actually took a very long time. It took like 2 weeks to get here, so yeah, these packages took very long, honestly. I actually ordered 10 in total, so 4 are actually not here, and they're taking a while, but I'll do a part 2 of this if you guys want. Make sure you comment down below. Anyway, so let's open this. Ooh, that looks nice. Can you guys look at that? Like, this is why I love clear slime. Like, what is that? What is life? What is life at this point? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so it doesn't have any scent, but that's okay because I know that scent makes clear slime foggy. So I know a lot of times, you know, it won't be able to do it. But if somebody here can make a clear slime with scent, they'll win. They'll straight up win. That is super nice. Okay. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice. Okay guys, so I have a really good idea. I'm actually gonna put some glitter in all these slimes, and then at the end we're gonna do a slime smoothie. I wanna put gold in this one. That's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty, guys. Whoa. Okay guys, that is just the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Okay, so I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10 because it is a little bit thin, but that is okay. And also it is a little bit like not very clicky. It's not the clickiest, so yeah. But other than that, it's super, super pretty. It's really crystal clear. It is truly crystal clear. It is really nice. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm actually gonna give it an 8 out of 10 because that's only like 2 points off, so yeah. All right, guys, so let's get on to the next one. This next one is from Indo Slime, and yeah. It came with 2 packets of glitter. I'm not sure if exactly that's because of the delayed shipping, but it is super pretty. So it comes with an iridescent pack and a gold hollow pack. This is so pretty, guys. And then here's the slime. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, and then I think that's it, and then it has a bunch of packaging. This is a packet. I guess it's like the goodie packet and instruction packet. Ooh, I love these candies so much, guys. There's like strawberry candies with like jam inside. It's so tasty. And then it comes with this candy cane, colorful one. And then these 2 little cute so stickers. Is these Centos? Are these Centos? They are. They smell like stuff, like lemons and blueberries. Okay, and then it goes with the care sheet. That is one thing, guys. Sometimes people will send the clear slime a little bit overactivated. So if they do come, just wait a little bit so that it will like kind of get a little softer. Because sometimes they send it overactivated because clear slime melts. So yeah. Anyways, so here it is. It is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. I can't even, guys. I'm gonna fuck it, guys. I'm gonna fuck it. It's so clear. How How did they do that? Okay, that is crazy. Okay, we're gonna take that out now. Whoa, and that came out of the cup pretty good. It is a teensy bit sticky, but that's okay. Okay, I wanna put a little bit of borax just so I can kind of handle it better. Whoa, that's really clicky. Okay, we're gonna put pink glitter on this one. It's like pink iridescent, literally. Okay. Look at how pretty that is, guys. Okay, guys, that is so pretty. Like, I can't even. This one I love so much. I think I like it better than the other one. Honestly, that's my honest opinion. Super nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 10 out of a 10 because it's super thick and it was super clear and it was only a little bit sticky. That one I really wouldn't even like take off a point for that just because, you know, the weather has to do with that, not really like with the person. So yeah, you guys comment down below what you think. And yeah, this next one is from Slime Shop BB and it's in a gray bag. Oh, look at, they come with like already made borax. That's really cool. And then it comes with a little packet of pink foam beads and it looks super cute. Ooh, that's pretty clear. It is a little bit foggy. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's pretty foggy. Okay, let's go ahead and open that. It seems pretty thick though. It's a little overactivated. For some reason it's sticking to the jar, but I think that's just because of the plastic that the jar has. Okay, so there it is. Super clicky. Pretty clear. That's really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put some glitter in it now. I'm gonna put this yellow one. That's gonna look really pretty. This is like one of my favorites, guys. I love this yellow one. Okay, so there it is, guys. I know you can't see it because my counter is yellow and I'm actually gonna change that, by the way. If you guys want my counter to be like marble or white, make sure you guys comment down below because I'm thinking of changing it to white so you kids can see the slimes better. Do you guys see how sparkly that is? And let's pour. Oh my God, they're not coming out. Ooh, this looks super cool, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 6 out of a 10. Honestly, I didn't like it too much. It was kind of a little like foggy, which is kind of, it's fine. But anyways, it has a little bit of dirty stuff in it, like I don't know, powders of some sort. It's not the clickiest and it's kind of like thinner, so yeah. But anyways, you guys comment down below your rating on it and what you think about it. And yeah, this next one, guys, is from Nicole.Slimes. And here's the package she sent it in. All right, cool. It's not sugar cube, jelly cube. Okay, so this is just kind of like the instructions if your slime is sticky or if it's too hard. And then she gave some borax. All right, and then it came with this baggie of candies and it has a lot of chocolate. And I don't know why, but she gave me this and I'm not complaining, okay? Ooh, whoa, that's, wow. Okay, that is just gorgeous. Oh no, it's a little sticky. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and shovel that out. Okay, so this one's really clear. It has nothing in it, no like little specks or anything, so that's good. Okay, I'm just gonna put some borax on top. Ooh, wow. Okay, that's really clicky. Okay, now it's a little too activated. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the glitter now. I want to add this iridescent glitter. It's literally just white glitter. It's my favorite glitter ever. I thought it would look cool if I just added only white glitter. I've never seen that before. Okay, that's really clicky, guys, and super thick. That's really nice. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 10 out of 10. It is super nice. It was really clear, it's thick, and it's super clicky, and I liked it a lot. It was only a little bit melted, but I can't really take any points off of that. This one is super nice. I really liked it, and yeah. Guys, I almost forgot. I'm gonna do this little short review, I guess, for this jelly cube one. Anyway, so here it is. This one looks really nice, guys. Hers look really nice though. Like I wasn't really able to master the jelly cubes. This one is scented. This one smells really good. Probably because it has color in it, so you can't really see the scent as much. But anyways, here it is. Okay, that one was really hard to squish. You couldn't squish it. Okay, well I wasn't able to squish this. I feel like it's probably not the ones that you can squish, which I am fine with that. But anyways, I like this one a lot. It was super nice, just a teensy bit sticky. But I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. I like it a lot and it smelled really good. Next one is by Slimy Raspberries. Nice slime shop. That sounds really nice. So here is a packet of candies and mini bubbles. Ooh, that's cool. Here's the back, guys. Ooh, it has airheads. I love, oh my god, it's blue, raspberry, and cherry. Then she gave some like puppy paw stickers. 2 peppermints from Cece's Candy, it seems like. And then some bubbles, and these are, okay, so it's just bubbles, and it has like a little puppy in the front. So cute. Then it also has some borax, and then it has this right here. Thank you for purchasing. And then it also has the social medias and basically slime care and activator instructions and stuff like that. And then she also gave this little note. Oh, cool. It says, hello TNF Slimeatory. She knows us. That's really cool. Okay, thank you so much, Slimy Raspberries. So yeah, that is really nice, guys. Okay, I think this is the winner right here, guys. It doesn't have any scent, but you know, as I said, that's okay. Whoa, that is crazy good, guys. Guys, that is super, super nice. I like this one a lot. This is my favorite from like right now. This is my really, like, this is my ultimate favorite. It's super thick. This one actually was only like $5 including shipping. So I really like this one. It's super nice, the quality and everything. And like the extras too. I'm gonna put the glitter now. I'm putting this purple one, super pretty. It's gonna be spectacular. Oh my god, guys. I can't even. This is like so freaking pretty. Okay, well that one I really enjoyed. I'm gonna definitely give it a 10 out of 10. It was super clicky, it was super glossy, super thick. Anyways, this one was super nice. It was super clicky, super thick, and super clear. So you guys should definitely you should definitely order from Slimy Raspberries. I was about to say Raspberry Slimies. So this one is from Slime Sweet Crafts. Yeah, Sweet Crafts, okay. And it comes in this really cute candy cane. Okay, so this one, it comes with a baggie of borax and some pony beads. Okay, let's open this, guys. Whoa, that is nice. I think it's a little melted, completely melted. Okay, this one's really nice. It's super clear. Okay, so it is really nice and clear. It's super clear. Okay, so this one, I'm sorry that you guys couldn't really see it clear. Kind of went completely wrong, but anyway, so there it is. Over boraxed it. Whoopsies. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add these sparkles now. They're really cute, like triangle sparkles. I'm only gonna pull a little bit because you won't be able to see it that much. Wow, those are pretty. Okay, and that is it for the Slime Sweet Crafts. Slime Sweet Crafts. Okay, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It was really nice. It was really clicky. It was super thick. Was super clear. But it was really clear, and I liked it a lot. It doesn't smell like anything, but anyways, I like this one a lot. It was super nice, but still my favorite would be the Slimy Raspberries. Okay, now it's time for the slime smoothie. This is gonna pain me a lot, guys, because I love these, and just looking at them, they're so beautiful. But whatever, you guys send me some clear slimes so I can recover from this. This first one is the yellow one with the pink foam beads, super cute. Next one is the pink one, the pink sprinkles. That one was really nice in the slime shop. This one is from the Nicole Slimes. This one was really nice, I remember. Okay, and then the last one is from the Fruit Tea Slime. Oh my god, this one's gonna really pain me. Okay, alright, we're gonna do this. I'm kidding. Oh my god. Make sure to take screenshots and post on Instagram and then tag me. Okay, I'll be quiet now. Oh my god, that is so pretty. That is the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I forgot one of the slimes. Oh my god, it has so many sparkles in it. It's so pretty. By the way, guys, I kind of forgot to mix in this slime, but it's okay because this one was a little overactivated, so it wasn't going to mix very well. And I also did not mix the Slimy Raspberry one because that one was super pretty and I really liked it and it was my favorite. Want me to review your clear slimes or your slime shop, make sure you just send me your package, and you have to write on your package slime shop review and also clear slime so that I will know, because I like to open them on camera and I don't want to like mess it up or anything, so make sure you do that. Yeah, well, that is it, guys. Thank you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.